Gold and silver both have shown a good breakout yesterday, and a strong bullish move was seen in silver, now trying to retrace a bit. At the same time, gold is also trying to struggle at 2025 zone. So now what to expect today with the US session, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the second update for the day. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels, trade as per the levels. Now, if you look at gold's chart, you will find 2025, it is giving it a good resistance. At the same time, if you look at the hourly charts here, higher lows, higher highs are seen. Now, it is still bullish. It is just trying to consolidate a bit. Now, what levels you should expect that it is trying to give a breakout? Yes, if you see it trading below 2019 or 2018 levels, you can sell here. Expect that below 2018 we may see a further drop, which might take it till towards 2010 2008 levels. This is going to be a very good support. Now see, it is given two stronger bullish candles, and after consolidating it is given this candle. Now again it is just trying to consolidate. At the same time, does this mean that if it breaks past 2025 you can again expect a round of bullishness which might take it till towards 2040? Possibility exists, but then it has to break past the highs here, that is 2030 levels, and beyond that 2040 2060 zone. Remember, 2040 2060 zone is a good resistance for gold right now. Now see, the stochastic has dropped on the hourly charts. The MACD here is still divergent and bearish. See, the candle size have flattened a bit, so it is trying to get resistance on the downside. If you are looking at the RSI, this is certainly overbought and now trying to cool down a bit. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts likewise, higher lows, higher highs, is still trading bullish. Let it break below 2018. Certainly more bearishness may prevail. This is for sure. The stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD is trying to converge crossover. It is still bullish, and yes, it has still got some room on the 2-hour charts for it to rise. However, look at RSI. This is also extremely overbought. So be watchful here. Now look at 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour, similar observation exists. Lower highs we may see, but I'll wait for it to break out either which ways in order to confirm a trend there. The stochastic was overbought and hence dropped a bit. The MACD is still bullish, trying to converge a bit. The RSI is certainly trading overbought. And if you look at the 4-hour, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. And now look, the stochastic here is overbought. The MACD here is bullish, trying to trade with little divergence. The RSI is certainly overbought here. So certainly it is slightly overbought. It does not mean that it cannot stretch the run here. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, first the candle is still green. Second, it is trading with the resistance at the top of the Bollinger Bands. Third, this is the third greener candle, and hence if you see it trading above 2030, you can stay long. 2040 and plus levels also can be expected. However, remember, it is trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands, and hence it is getting a good resistance on the upside. So now if you see it trading below 2018, you can sell there, expect 2008 and below levels, and then we may see it retracing further on the downside. Now see, if you look at the daily charts here, also higher highs, and if you connect the dots here, also higher lows. So 2030 is the level beyond which more bullishness may prevail in gold, and hence you have to trade with caution in between 2030 and 2020 levels, and specifically rather 2018 levels you should watch out for. So now look at further into the indicators. The stochastic is back to overbought. The MACD has again crossed over, trading with divergence. Remember, it is trading at a slightly higher levels, but it is trying to sustain those levels. It has crossed over yesterday again. The RSI is also trying to look upwards and showing little bullish momentum. And if you look at the daily charts here, you will find the highs of this channel are at 2060 levels. Also, this is the if you consider the previous two lower highs there at 2075 2070, this zone is going to be important, that is 2040 2060 levels. So now you can buy at 2030, expect 2040 and 20, you can say beyond that 2060 levels may get achieved, but then you have to be very cautious and attentive. Between 2040 and 2060 levels, very good resistance exists there. At the same time, if you see it dropping below 2018, you can stay short and expect a further drop. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's say we look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 10th of April. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver. See, silver breached past $25 levels, and if you recall in my weekly analysis, I told you silver is already trading for a breakout and it is given a good bullish momentum here. At the same time, today it is retraced, and if you look at the channel here, this is a bearish channel. This is still looking down. Once you see it trading below 2070, remember 2060 is one good support it needs to breach. Sorry, 2460. 2460 is one good support it needs to breach. Below that, further bearishness is going to prevail. So yes, you can sell at 2470 and expect it to drop for 2460, 2440 levels. Stochastic on the hourly chart is oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is also come down and it is now trading comfortable. It was previously trading overbought. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see lower highs, lower lows, and see one bearish candle. Probably there could be one more bearish candle which might follow, and hence below 2470 certainly you are going to look at 2460 and below levels. The stochastic is oversold. The RSI is also come down to comfortable levels. Previously it was trading overbought. Now look at the 3-hour chart. Similarly on the 3-hour chart, see, I look forward to lower highs, lower lows. I look forward for it to break past on the upside above 25 in order to confirm bullishness. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD trying to converge crossover on the sell. It is still in green. RSI is still overbought. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts you'll find the same here. Now see 2370. This is providing it a support. This is providing it a platform here. Below that certainly we may see 2470. Below that 2460, 2440. In fact, now the support levels are little far below at 2420. That is the extremely good support. The stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD trying to converge. RSI very near to the overbought levels. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, $25 levels is the opening levels. It has seen 25.15. It has seen slightly lower levels at 24.70. It means there is a little downward push, but then you have to wait for it to break past 24.70 levels in order to confirm the bearishness. Yes, it was trading over outside Bollinger Bands, and hence it has got a little pullback here. So yes, this is trying to get a pullback, but let's be watchful. The stochastic is certainly trading overbought, and hence it can continue with the drop. If it does, certainly more bearishness may prevail. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is overbought here. So considering this, for the day, only buy entries above 25, where you can again expect 25-20 levels, and then beyond that we may see it hitting 25-50, if not today, possibly by tomorrow, day after tomorrow. And on the downside, you can sell here at 2470, but then 2460 first and nearest resistance, then 2440, and below that we may see it dropping harder till towards 2420, $24, and below that a crash can be seen. I don't see it happening right now because it has given just a breakout yesterday. However, these are markets. A complete reversal is also possible, and hence trade with caution, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.